If you want your design to look creative and engaging like that, I'll let you know how you can do it in today's tutorial. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Creating visual websites is always been a task for me, but in today's tutorial we are going to do it just fine. To start with the design, we will be requiring Figma and a little knowledge of Figma. Let's jump into that. Okay, here I have a Figma MacBook Pro 14 inches with the frame and an image which I took from Unsplash. You can download it from anywhere, as it is just learning purpose. You can download from anywhere, right? Now we'll click on R. Let's create a rectangle of our this size, our frame size. Okay, let's drag it out. Let's click on O. We'll create a circle which will be eventually our spotlight here. Okay, let me change the color of this circle so that I can see this is a circle. Let's align it, and then we'll click here, and then we'll click on exclude selection. This way we'll have a hole from which we can see everything, right? But there is a little more stuff to do. See, if you click see here, that's too hard. We need it to look like a spotlight. We need little shadow there, right? Softness. We will copy the same circle and paste once again. Once this is done, we'll click on this gradient. We'll click on radial. This we don't require. This one this way. I'll keep it black, I guess. Please don't judge me if I'm using Z blacks. I do use Z black sometimes. Okay, I'll change the color of this rectangle also so that we can sync everything. Here, right? Sorted. Now if we click here, select both this excluded layer and the ellipse, then we need to click on this auto layout, and we'll increase the size and this rectangle size also. Just a second. Yeah, just fine. Now we'll do it position absolute, then center it. We'll have to increase the size of this also, I guess. This is fine. Yeah, this is fine. Now once this is done, we'll move this frame inside our frame. Let's align it. Okay, see, let me play it once. It takes a while to play. You all guys know it, right? So here you can see we have sort of spotlight. Now for the frame which we just dragged in, we need to resize it to the size of our actual frame, like this. Let's realign the internal elements. Fine. Okay. Now the frame which is inside our main frame, click on that, click on prototype. On the overflow, click on both directions. And after that, once we play it, I click command backslash to get rid of all the UI from the Figma. Okay, there we go. We have our spotlight here. Nice, right? So with this technique you can create a lot of designs. And this is it for the tutorial, guys. That was a really small, yet I feel it was a good thing. I recently learned this, in fact, and I thought to share it with you guys. So if you guys like it, please don't forget to subscribe me and hit that bell icon. It's free for you guys, and it keeps me motivated, and do follow. Have a good day.